Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hidden Brick, where today we're doing part 2 of the LEGO Friends build of the Heartlake Lighthouse. So here's where we're at so far from part 1. If you missed part 1, check it out. There's a link down below. Click it, watch part 1, come back to this video and watch it part 2. So we're at bag number 3 and instruction book number 2. A small bag of parts in bag number 3. Move that around. Alright, now we're ready. So we're going to start by turning this around. We'll do some interior detailing. Have a little transaction counter or display case of some sort right here. Alright, I have to move some of those. My fingers are too big to get in there without moving those out of the way first. Alright, now I'll put them back. Have a pink plate extending all the way across. So we're building some sort of container or bin that holds something right here, because we have all these panels that when you assemble them like this, it creates a little container. And we have a little cash register back in the corner. Turn it back around now. I guess that's the extent of the interior detailing. Not quite sure what these things are. Alright, so now we're back to the layering of the lighthouse. Pretty easy little portion here. It's just stacking bricks. Alright, now we have a layer of plates. These plates are what structurally support everything. sure all that's right. That big plate goes all the way across with a couple light bluish gray studs. Turn that around. Start building the sloped roof with a little window above it. This is a little bed area. Sticker on this tile. It's kind of a nautical themed sticker because it has little anchors printed on the bed coverings. So that's more or less a bed. You have a sloped plate there and then a tile with a sticker on it, and that's considered a bed. Here's our window. Just like one of the windows on the first level, this one has some of the yellow divided lights / shutter opening window piece. Goes right there in the middle. So we're just continuing to build the roof element. Doesn't quite fit. What did I miss? That's what I missed. All right. It's more sloped. A lot of these sloped bricks in this set. And we have some tiles to just complete the top off. With one little stud over there, and there's a sign on the front of the building is this little ice cream sign. So I'm guessing this lighthouse has been converted into an ice cream shop, which is kind of weird. But anyway, that completes bag 3. So we are now on to bag number 4. So let's go ahead and move the extra parts over. There's 2 small bags of parts in bag 4. Kind of move some of these pieces around. Basically sorting without not sorting, if that makes sense. It helps to be able to find the pieces. And if that means moving some of the bigger parts together, that's kind of sorting. Alright, there's all the small pieces, and there's a lot of them in this bag. So, I'm going to start off by turning this around and continuing to build kind of the interior details. Alright, so first we're going to start off with a little window right there. Continuing to build the lighthouse area with these, what they call macaroni bricks. Reverse sloped brick, a couple more macaronis, and some more reverse slopes. Alright, so this element, looks like we're building a little ladder. Smallest ladder ever. There's a ladder to go from the bathroom all the way up to this area. And up there we have this map. And that, I believe, is the same map that we saw in the hot air balloon, the Heartlake hot air balloon set. Now it's time for some plates. So that's what that one gray stud was for. It holds this plate on, and it actually holds the whole, because before that, the whole lighthouse, you can see it kind of wants to fall over. And that one plate is holding it together. So that's really cool. Makes it more stable. I like that. So we're creating the lighthouse top now, the actual part of the lighthouse that lights up. Well, it won't light up in this set. I don't think there's a light brick included. That'd have been cool if there was. We have our railings. Now we have 4 of these yellow 2x2 round bricks. Actually, trans yellow 2x2 round bricks. Some tiles to help hold these railings together. Some trans clear panels. Round plate. And our big domed roof thing goes right there. And all the way on the top, there's a stud and one more little dish to cap it off. So we're going to build some interior details now and exterior. So now it's all about the details. So the first little piece is a flower out here, some greenery, some ice cream parts inside the ice cream lighthouse. I'm guessing that's what this is now. Not so much an it's not so much a lighthouse, more as it's a ice cream shop. So here is all of our ice cream elements that are going to go in this little freezer container. Go in there. Ah. Oops. Sorry, Kate. Knocked her over. And we have a pink flower with this tube and this thing on here. Is this a lantern maybe? Up there in the bedroom. Alright, now we're going to create this little creeping vine that goes on the front of the lighthouse. Ice cream shop. Some little flowers on it. Turn this around, and now I knocked Stephanie over. Put her on there so I don't knock her over anymore. And there's some studs right here and right here. So basically the vine attaches to each one of the studs. Kind of move that however you want. And there's a little leafy bar that you can slide all the way through there and to hold it together. Now we have some lights to go around the dock. So at night you know where the edge of the dock is and you don't fall off. Last one. Now we have a little dock ladder. Goes right there. Some more ice cream. And some money just sitting on the counter. Lights for the little wall there. I have 2 stools with some stickers on them. Next is a little table, goes right there. Some entourage for the table. And next we have a little sign. And this shows you the pricing of the various frozen treats that you can buy at the Lighthouse. That's the last sticker as well. So we're done with that mess. Now we're going to build a giant ice cream cone that has chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream, pistachio ice cream, strawberry ice cream, you know what? I didn't build that right. Put those on before I put them in. Alright, there we go. There's our ice cream cone with all 4 flavors of ice cream. And That attaches to this little bar down here. And that's it. That is the lighthouse slash ice cream shop. So, not a bad little set at all, to be honest with you. I think it would have been cool if it maybe advertised it as a seaside ice cream shop. So I was expecting more of a utilitarian actual lighthouse, but we got some cool little details with it. So we have a rowboat that rows all the way up to the lighthouse, and we have this cool little rock feature with the seal on it. So there you go. That is the LEGO Friends Heartlake Lighthouse. Make sure to put a comment down below. Tell me what you like about this set. Also subscribe if you like these builds, because that's all we do on this channel is building official LEGO sets. So if you're into that, you're in the right channel. So subscribe so you don't miss any more. Thanks again, and we will see you next time.